This video is going to show you how you can add in an RSS feed onto a web part that's on a website. So what is an RSS feed? An RSS feed is basically a news feed that comes through from a website with information like the news headlines or the lead headlines from a newspaper, and they're becoming quite popular with lots of websites, both from an educational point and even from a news point. So what I'm going to do is I'm on the RTE website, and these are all the types of RSS feeds that they have available to the public. That's the little symbol for RSS feeds. So I'm going to go on to all sport headlines, actually, and you can see there, these are the headings, these are the news stories that are coming through from RTE Sport today. If I go back and take all soccer headlines, it's just related to soccer. So up here is the address of that RSS feed from RTE. So all I have to do is left click to highlight it all, and right click and then left click copy. So I've copied the RSS address, the address line of the RTE soccer feed. Okay, so if I look here on this page that I've already opened in a new tab, this is a soccer web site from St. Peter's College, where they put up news from the soccer in the school. They have an RSS feed here already, which is coming from the Irish Independent newspapers. Okay, so these are the stories from this morning. If I want to change that, okay, if I'm going to put on now the RTE RSS feed, all I do is, I've already signed in with my username and password. I go to Site Actions, edit the page, okay, and in this case it's this particular web part I want to work on here. So I'm going to edit the web part. Okay, now this box here on the right hand side opens, and the RSS feed URL is what you're looking for. If I see here, the Independent is the one that's showing here. So if I just double click on that, just to get it lit up blue, or click in it, and I'm just moving my cursor to the end. Now I'm backspacing it, so I'm taking out the URL that's there now. Remember, I copied it initially from the RTE site, so all I have to do is go right click, paste, and pop it in there. Once I have it in, select OK. Takes a second. Now, and then exit edit mode, and I now have the RTE site RSS feed going on. Be careful, some of the sites you might find are not working, and you would put it in and it wouldn't actually show. I found this with I was trying to put in Discovery Channel RSS feeds, so sometimes if you find an RSS feed it doesn't show, it's not you that's making the mistake, it's the actual company, maybe they haven't updated it. So that's it, and it's quite useful for educational purposes. You can find lots of geography, history, RSS feeds, science, and so on.